Good morning, everybody. I'm up this morning checking on these chickens. I'm gonna try to show y'all how to take care of these chickens in the morning. Let's look at these roosters. Look at the rooster bros. I think they getting along now. Better back up, Jack. Back up, Jack. See how he trying me already? That's all right. You know the pepper. You know the pepper from the south. You know the pepper from the south. All right. Just gonna check these gals out. I already did my snake check. Yeah, them snakes been active this year, so I had 2 already. But I check. I go around. Well, I might as well go around and check them out. Tap on the door, cause right here, this is where the nesting boxes is. Yeah, ease right up in there. They can get up in there too. So, but what I do, I come on around to the front and just do a whole visual of the inside. Look up there in them corners on them bars too, cause they can get up there. So, but I already checked. I'm just showing y'all. Alrighty. So now since I'm off this week, I've been letting these out. I'm gonna let them come out. I'm gonna let them for free range all week. They need to stretch their legs out. Picked a bunch of bell. That thing was full of bell peppers, but we done used all we can, so. But don't nothing go to waste around here, Jack. The chickens eat it. Look in here too. Make sure we ain't got none of them slithering little so-and-so. Alright. Yeah, see the girls now. They done calmed down a lot since I done got the roosters out of here. I'm gonna throw these bell peppers out here. Y'all hold on for a minute. Break it up for them a little bit like that. See how they can get to it. Nice little treat. Try to mix up their diet sometimes, you know. Alright. Let's go check out the rooster bros. There go Roscoe. Roscoe be looking out for the old ladies. Them the last 4, y'all, I got, remember, from the damn psychopath chicken killer. My last batch. 1, 2, 3, and 1 by. And the turkey he made. I don't know. I guess old Andy can fight, man. Ain't nothing got him. So I kind of like him now. I just let him hang around. He won't meet freezer camp no time soon. Same thing. Just break up some for them. They'll get to it. Oh yeah, they're gonna be nice. We get them nice and fat. The rooster bro, they getting along though. I thought they was gonna box each other. I thought he was gonna get them, but they good. Alright, so I got my feed box right. Gotta make sure you keep the lid on it, cause them raccoons. Well, I don't know, they raccoon bombers, they can get up in there, Jack. So I'm gonna try to keep that lid closed down. Alright, let me get them feeders out. feed basket. I mix it up, give them a little feed, a little corn. Every once in a while, you gotta wipe it out, the inside, get a little build up. Ain't no big deal though. Uh-oh. Roscoe say, get back, Jack. I missed it, y'all. I ain't get it. Had a little squab session going on. Anyway, y'all, that's how you do it. See how I got them, the feeder in the water, up down ropes like that? I do it like that so, because on the ground, they scratch up everything. That'll keep it cleaner. Because if not, like the water be mud, and the food, they'll scrape all that out. It'll be all over the ground, so. But that's basically how I take care of these chicken in the morning. Ain't nothing to it once you get set up and everything. Ain't nothing to it. About 10 minutes. All right, y'all. I will catch you on the next one.